Hello students, welcome to English class. I am your English teacher. Respected viewers, kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and do not forget to like the video. So students, let's take some revision. So we learned in previous lesson that Morokla meets 12 months after going to the forest, and with their help she brings violets from the forest and gives it to her mother and sister. Even during the coldest days, mother and sister are very surprised by this. But then Morokla's stepsister Helena once again tells Morokla that go to the forest and bring the strawberries. On this, Morokla says that from where can she bring the strawberries in such cold season? But her stepmother takes her out of the house and closes the door. Now Morokla goes into the forest once again, chilling in such a cold, and there she once again meets 12 months. Morokla tells them that she has come to find the strawberries in the forest. Now Great January once again ready to help Morokla, and giving the club in the hand of his brother June says, "Brother, now take that place. Now let's go forward." June took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire shot up and its heat melted the snow in a moment. The ground was all green and the trees were covered with leaves. The birds began to sing and the forest was filled with all kinds of flowers. It was summer. The ground under the bushes was covered with white starlets. The starry blooms were turning into strawberries every minute. They ripened at once, and before Morokla had time to think, there were so many of them that it looked as though a red carpet had been spread on the ground. So students, January sat on high seat, and the club he held in his hand, he rotated the club on the burning fire, and there was a small explosion in that fire. It started melting the snow. The greenery and lush green trees started appearing everywhere. Birds started singing sitting on the top of the trees. The entire forest was filled with flowers. This was the time of the summer season. Now small bushes grew on the ground and small flowers started growing in them, and within few minutes strawberries started coming out from those flowers. Strawberries and strawberries started appearing everywhere. All this happened so quickly that even before thinking, something like a red carpet had been spread in front of the Morokla. "Pick them at once, Morokla," commanded June. Morokla picked them joyfully till she had filled her apron full. Then she thanked the month with all her heart and scampered merrily home. Helena and her stepmother wondered when they saw Morokla bringing the strawberries. Her apron was full of them. "Where did you pick them?" asked Helena sulkily. "There are plenty of them growing in the forest on the high mountains." So students, now the month of June says to Morokla that Morokla should collect the strawberries quickly. Morokla very happily collected as many strawberries as possible, and after thanking all the months, she came back home happily. Now Helena and her stepmother were surprised by seeing strawberries in Morokla's apron. Helena angrily asked, "Where did the strawberries come from?" Then Morokla replied that there are lots of strawberries on top of the mountain in the forest. Helena took all the strawberries and ate them all up with her mother. They didn't leave even a single one for Morokla. On the third day, Helena ordered Morokla go into the forest and get some red apples. The stepmother caught hold of Morokla and without giving her a chance to speak, pushed her out of the door and shut it after her. So students, Helena took all the strawberries from Morokla and finished all the strawberry with her mother. There was not a single strawberry left for Morokla. On the third day, Helena ordered Morokla to go to the forest and get some red apples. Once again, the stepmother kicked Morokla out of the house, holding her hand, and closed the door. Did not even give her a chance to speak anything. Morokla went to the forest again, weeping bitterly. She didn't wonder about this time. She ran straight to the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning and the 12 months were sitting around the fire. "Please, kind sir, help me." Great January nodded and asked her, "What are you looking for today?" So students, now Morokla went back to the forest chilling with cold, and without thinking anything she immediately reached to the peak of the forest where she found 12 months sitting around the fire. Morokla said, "Sir, please help me." The January nodded his head saying yes, and asked her, "What have you come to find in the forest today?" "I'm looking for red apples. If I don't bring them, my sister and my mother will kill me. Tell me, father, tell me please where I could find them." Great January rose up. He went over to the one of the older month. It was September. He handed the club to him and said, "Brother, take the high seat." So student, Morokla had go to the forest to find red apples. If she did not get red apples, then her sister and her mother will kill her. So she requests 12 months to please tell her where she can find the apples. Great January stood up and he went to the older month, September, and gave him the club in his hand and said, "Brother, take the high seat." Month of September took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. The fire began to burn with red flame. The snow began to melt. But there was a cold wind that sent the faded leaves down to the ground. It was autumn. Morokla saw just one apple tree with red apples hanging high among its branches. "Shake the tree at once, Morokla," commanded September. Right gladly Morokla shook the tree, and first apple fell down and then another. "Now, Morokla, that's enough. Run home quickly," shouted all the months. So students, the month of September sat on highest stone, and he turned the given club on the burning fire by the month of January. Now the fire started burning red flame. All the snow started melting, but cold winds started blowing and the yellow leaves started falling on the ground. It was autumn season. Morokla noticed that there are many red apples on the high branch of an apple tree. September month commanded Morokla to shake that tree. Morokla shook the tree with great joy, and first apple fell on the ground, and then second one, and then many apples fell on the ground. "Now, Morokla, this is enough. Now take this apple and go to your house quickly," said all the months together. Thank you for watching this audio visual presentation.